Good afternoon, friends. Happy Sunday to all of you. So, friends, you can expect a big stimulus check very soon. Republicans and Democrats have officially signed into law legislation that would provide millions of low-income households with up to $1,000 in financial aid. Here's your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. Please, friends, make sure that you watch until the end of this video. And also know that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter these giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card. And friends, I'll be announcing a winner in a video later today, so please stay tuned for that video. Last year, the enhanced child tax credit provided millions of parents in the United States with financial relief. The last expanded child tax credit payment was disbursed in December of 2021. But the pause led to the increase in the number of children in poverty from 12.1% to 17%, also putting 3.7 million children below the poverty line. And now, with inflation on the rise, plus a possible recession looming, several states and lawmakers are now planning to send families much more money starting this year. 12 U.S. states are granting additional child tax credits to low-income families. Many families in need of extra money due to the cost of inflation will receive $1,000 per child annually. Governor Phil Scott of Vermont has signed a new tax credit package that includes a statewide child tax credit for children 5 and under in households earning $125,000 or less per year. This tax credit will phase out at a rate of $20 per every $1,000 that is earned over the threshold, and the credit is fully refundable. The bill also allows for a fully refundable child and dependent care credit of 72% of the federal child and dependent care credit that is allowed to the taxpayer. It increases the earned income tax credit to 38% of the amount granted by the federal government and includes tax relief for student loan borrowers, retirees, and veterans. The final version of the $40 million bill allocates $32 million to pay for the new statewide child tax credit, while legislators estimate it will help more than 30,000 Vermont children. In a statement, Governor Scott called the bill a step in the right direction, noting that previous proposals, including a package worth nearly $50 million, would have helped a broader cross-section of taxpayers. In the state of North Carolina, Governor Roy Cooper recently proposed benefits for residents in his budget proposal. Roy Cooper's proposal includes sending one-time stimulus checks from North Carolina to workers and teachers. Along with sending one-time bonuses, Governor Cooper's proposal addresses education and equities, affordable housing, work retention, and much more. Governor Cooper has also raised the second-year spending by $2.3 billion to $29.3 billion to use some of the surplus. $2.4 billion of the surplus would go towards many itemized investments, including infrastructure, economic development, and workforce training. Friends, the keyword for this video is Casper, Wyoming. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, Casper, Wyoming, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you are subscribed to my channel. Remember, friends, that the more videos you comment on with its keyword, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. So, friends, please comment below if your state or city is providing more relief to its residents. Residents in the state of Maryland are bracing to pay more at the gas pump due to a legislative mandated automatic gas tax increase. A bill passed in 2013, and it calls for an automatic gas tax increase based on inflation, which is measured by the Consumer Price Index. This brings the total state gas from 36 cents a gallon to 43 cents per gallon. Ahead of the hike, some elected officials called on the Maryland General Assembly to convene a special session to suspend the state's gas tax. Congressman Andy Harris stated, "Regular families cannot afford to fill up their car." The congressman joined Delegate Kathy Saliga in demanding relief for residents from soaring gas prices. She said, "There's a $7 billion surplus right now in the state of Maryland, and the increase, the 7 cents a gallon, is an extra $200 million in the coming year in taxes. We know they can suspend that." When it comes to the money that Idaho residents can receive, there is $75 for each taxpayer and each dependent, or 12% of their 2020 taxes, whichever amount is bigger.
Back in July, I signed an executive order to promote competition across the economy. In too many industries, a handful of giant companies dominate the market, and too often they use their power to squeeze out smaller competitors and stifle new entrepreneurs, making our economy less dynamic, giving themselves free rein to raise prices, reduce options for consumers, or exploit workers. The meat industry is a textbook example on the price side. 4 big corporations control more than half of the markets in beef, pork, and poultry. These middlemen that they buy from, farmers and ranchers, and sell the processors, sell the processed product to grocery stores. That's the way it works. Without meaningful competition, farmers and ranchers don't get to choose who they sell to. Or put another way, our farmers and ranchers have to pay whatever these 4 big companies say they have to pay, by and large. But that's only half of it. These companies can use their position as middlemen to overcharge grocery stores and ultimately families. If we can hold a second, I was telling my colleagues earlier in my office that I was sitting in my kitchen yesterday, and there's a sunroom off the kitchen, and my wife was there with her sister and a good friend named Marianne.
Well, my amazing and great friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here this Sunday. I truly appreciate every one of you who are watching my videos. Remember, friends, I'll be announcing a winner in a video later today. Please stay tuned for that video. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Sunday.